of commodities, but oil continues to remain on everyone's radar ahead of OPEC Plus meeting over the weekend, and the fact that they will also be gathering online today to discuss production cuts and production output, in fact, and gold continues to lose its sheen. But what are the factors driving the move in the oil and the yellow metal market? Kanishka is now joining us with a roundup. Kanishka, over to you.
Oil prices and gold prices both are in the spotlight today on the back of several global geopolitical developments. Now, oil, that's inching higher slightly with Brent around that $64 per barrel level, whereas WTI is around that $61 per barrel level. Now, this comes as US has banned Chevron from exporting crude out of Venezuela, which has raised supply concerns for refiners. However, any sharp upside in oil prices has been capped by expectations that OPEC Plus could be hiking output with a decision that's likely over the weekend. Meanwhile, analysts are also flagging risk of oversupply in the second half of 2025 and potential new sanctions on Russia that US could impose. That's also keeping traders on alert. Apart from that, gold, on the other hand, has been closer to the flat line, hovering around that $3,300 an ounce level. Easing US and EU trade tensions have made safe haven demand slightly modest, especially after President Trump pushed back that tariff action on EU to July 9th. Meanwhile, US consumer confidence has improved in May, ending a 5-month decline, particularly due to easing US-China trade tensions. All eyes are now on Friday's US core PCE inflation data, which could shape the Fed's next move.